Today I will show you how to convert and edit a PDF file using Microsoft Word. If you are someone who needs to make quick edits to a PDF, this video is for you. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's start by opening your PDF file into Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer from the top left corner. Click File and Open. Then click Browse to find the PDF file on your computer. If your file does not show up, make sure to select PDF file or all files in that file type filter. Once you find your PDF, select it and click Open. A dialog box will appear indicating the Word is about to convert the document, which may take a bit more time than opening a regular file. The resulting document will be optimized to edit the text, but it might not look exactly like the original PDF. After the document loads, it's a good idea to go through it carefully, review the formatting and make any necessary adjustments. Once the PDF is open, you can edit it just like a normal Word document. You can add or delete text, insert or edit tables, change the page layout, margins, and alignments. Word will automatically adjust the formatting as you go. For example, if your PDF includes an image or a table, you can click and edit it right inside Word without any special tools. One cool feature is image editing. You can crop the image, replace them, wrap text around them, and effects like shadows, reflections, glow, 3D rotation, and more. Just right click the image and choose Format Picture or Size and Position to customize it your way. After editing, it's time to save your changes. You have two saving options depending on what you need. To save as a Word document, go to File menu, click Save As, choose the folder where you want to save the file. In the Save As type drop-down, select Word document, give your file a name, then click Save. This will save your edited PDF as a regular fully editable Word file that you can open and change anytime. To export as a PDF again, if you want to turn your changes back into a PDF file, click on the File menu and click Save As. In the Save As type drop-down, select PDF. You will also see two options: Standard, best for printing, and Minimum size, ideal for online sharing. And that's it. You have just learned how to import, edit, or export PDF files using Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Guide for more easy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Comment below if you want a full walkthrough of how to design professional looking PDFs for clients or online publishing using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.